In this video, we will try to understand Indian parliamentary committee system. And there are the two types of Indian parliamentary committee. One is standing committee and other is ad hoc committee. And what is standing committee and what is ad hoc committee, we will try to understand among them. Standing committee is permanent body. Standing committee generally is permanent committee, and ad hoc committee, which committee is not permanent committee, that is called ad hoc committee. Now we will try to understand and what is the standing committees. A standing committee is a committee which is generally consists of the member of parliament, and standing committee also, there are the three types. One is financial standing committee, and second is department related standing committee, and third is other standing committee. Okay, actually, the work done by the Indian Parliament is not only the voluminous but also complex in nature. Hence, and that's why we different types of standing committee generally are happened. Okay, financial standing committee and financial standing committee also classify in three types. One is public account committee, second is estimate committee, and third is public undertaking committee. And generally, public account committee is generally headed by the opposition of the Rajya Sabha, opposition member of the Rajya Sabha. That's maybe any senior member. And there are generally 22 members in the public account committee and 30 members in estimate committee, and in public undertaking committee there are also in the 22 members. Currently, chairperson of the Public Account Committee is Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, and the composition generally there are the 22 members in Public Account Committee, 15 members from Lok Sabha and 7 members from the Rajya Sabha, and the total tenure of this committee is 1 year. And generally, the elected members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they are the hold this position. Uh, and there are also four subcommittee of the Public Account Committee. One committee deals with the um, non-compliments in timely submission of action taken notes on the non-selected audit and paragraphs and excess expenditure. And second committee generally discuss with the direct tax and indirect tax of the India. And third subcommittee also deal with the implementation of recommendation of PAC, and fourth committee deals with the Indian Railway. And after the previous committee, we will discuss here the estimate committee. And head of the estimate committee is MP Grish Bapat, and there are the 30 members in the estimate committee. Kitna member? 30 members. And also the tenure of this committee is 1 year, and generally only Lok Sabha member generally are the members of the estimate committee. And there are the two subcommittee of this member. One is drought situation in the court in the country, uh, partitioning to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, and other subcommittee generally discuss with the education with the special reference to the recent development regarding to the autonomy in education. Okay. And third types of committees, public undertaking committee, and the headed of this committee is the Mr. MP Santosh Gangwar, and there are also 22 members occurred in this position, 15 members from the Lok Sabha and 7 members from the Rajya Sabha. And this committee also, generally tenure of this committee is also the 1 year. Okay. And the other committee is called the department related standing committee. Now we will try to understand what is in Indian parliamentary system. There are only over 24 department related standing committee. Kitna? There are 24 department related standing committee, and each department related standing committee having 31 members. 31 members, 21 members from the Lok Sabha and 10 members from the Raj and 10 members from the Rajya Sabha. And this member are to be nominated by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and also chairman of the Rajya Sabha respectively. Okay. So hence I try to provide you the about the information about the our parliamentary committee, and video is ended here, and we I hope this video gives you some important information. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.